Hello folks, welcome to my channel. My name is Kirill, and just for those who have no clue what is happening here, I'm a backend engineer working mostly with Ruby and JavaScript. I also have experience with microservice architecture, with serverless, and you all know the quote from Lewis Carroll's book Alice in Wonderland. My dear, here we must run as fast as we can, just to stay in place. And if you wish to go anywhere, you must run twice as fast as that. I love this quote so much, and I believe it can be applied not only to the Wonderland, but also to software development world. And in order to keep the right pace, every day I try to learn something new. I do this in different ways, either reading books or watching videos or listening podcasts or reading some articles or visiting meetups. And on this channel, I share my findings with you. Subscribe to receive a small portion of software development related topics or news every day and to keep a right pace together with me. And they also have medals, running medals, so this is just an inspiration about the right pace.